What's up, you guys? It's Must See Monday. Latrice Deluna. I am at 100 Agave in the beautiful community of Baker's Ranch in Lake Forest. I am showing this amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, like I said, in the city of Lake Forest in the community of Baker's Ranch. So here we go. Okay, so this home, when you first come in, has this really cute little area. Then you go upstairs to the main living.
Okay.
And again, we are at 100 Agave in the beautiful community of Baker Ranch in Lake Forest.
Okay.
And we have these beautiful plantation shutters, this amazing flooring here that's been upgraded.
Wow.
This backsplash is to die for with these stainless steel appliances. We come over here to our first bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's going for $575,000. Completely affordable, and it's really cute. Plantation shutters all throughout the property.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
It's my little munchkin. We know what's going on with...
I'm hungry.
Okay, can you please go downstairs real quick? I'm almost done. Please go downstairs, Alani.
It's all the way down here.
And then we have
Can't go down.
a laundry room inside of the unit. And then the second bedroom here, which is the master. Again, we're in Lake Forest in the community of Baker Ranch. And the property is gorgeous.
I smell something.
And it's completely affordable.
I smell something.
This bathroom is to die for. And there we have it. So if you guys want to tour this property or any other properties in Lake Forest, let us know. We are at 100 Agave, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, going for $575,000. This is our must-see Monday, and you must see this property because it's amazing, it's affordable, and it gets you inside of an amazing community here in Baker Ranch with amazing views of the Saddleback Mountains. All right, you guys enjoy your day.